Hi everyone, today for What's New Wednesday, I'm going to show you how to create these hollow laser LuxaPolish nails. If you guys would like to see how to do it, just keep watching. So starting off, look at those gross nails. It has been a while since I've done my nails, so from start to finish, let's do this. First, I'm going to go ahead and file my nails in the shape that I would like them to be. Then I'm going to buff the top of my nails just a little bit to make sure that the gel UV nail will cure nicely. Then I'm going to dust off any extra nail trimmings, all that stuff, so that it can stay. I'm going to go in with my LuxaPrime. This is what I put on before I go in with my gel UV nails. Once I have that on, I'm going in with my StarNail Starlight UV Sculpting Gel and just a very thin brush to apply it. This is what the UV gel looks like for fake nails. Very gooey, very sticky, and I go ahead and the very first layer I apply very, very thin so that it adheres better in the second and third layers. Once I have all my nails covered, I'm going ahead and I'm sticking them in the UV LED nail cure, I don't really know what to call it, for 90 seconds to cure. Then between coats of the UV gel, I'm using a little pad and some alcohol, and I wipe the sticky residue off between all the layers. Go ahead, repeat that until you get the desired look you want for your nails, which was about 5 layers for me. Then I'm going in with the UV LED Luxa Gel Polish in black, curing that for about 60 seconds. Once that's done, coating it in the Luxa Shine Polish and curing that again for 60 seconds. Once that's all done, I'm going in with my Luxa Holo Laser Nails Powder. Now, to apply this, take a cotton pad, some alcohol, wipe down the nail first, use this little scrubby, and pat and then gently massage the powder into the nail. Go ahead with one last coat of the Luxa Shine Polish, stick that in the UV cure machine. 90 seconds later, you've got some gorgeous laser hollow nails. Like, look at those. Pew pew! Gorgeous! I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. And let me know in the comments down below what you think about these nails. If you like this type of tutorial, if I should do more of them, let me know in the comments down below. And stay beautiful, guys, okay? Bye!